Hello, I'm Kevin, and this is The Real Way to Make Money Online. So, I'm going to show you how to do this text. It's something I've been playing around with on the layer effects. So what I'm going to do, I've already got this opened up. This is a graphic from Threadbasket. And I've got the SVG because this blue doesn't work very well with a black background, and if you've been watching for a while, you know I design everything for a black background. So here we can see it's right here, and there's the blue. So I'm gonna, that's too much. Let's go up here and see how that looks. The change I make to the SVG will show up here, and that's a lot better. So we can get rid of that. Then just grab some text. Make it white. And this is called Speed, I think. Speed something. Speed Beast. And I got it from Creative Fabrica. So type in freedom. Now I like this because when you got the two E's here, it has this nice long bar that flows right into the D. So we're going to center this. Where's my center? Oh, I got to do this first. There's my center. That looks good. I'm going to bring this up there for now. So the first thing I need is a yellow stroke. No, stroke is white. So let's change this color so I can see it. Anything will do. Okay, now and there. So 5.6. Then go back here. Make that white again. And now the effects. Let's see, the first one is an inner glow. And I made it yellow so it doesn't really show up. Which sounds weird. You don't really want the color to show. Just bring it out here for now. This will change later. Oh, and this is important. Screen won't work. Go down to luminosity. Then the 3D. Crank that out. Oh, it's one thing I forgot. Which is okay. That actually looks pretty good. Need the colors. So just draw a box. I take it right there, right above the middle and bottom of the E. Let's see, we need that red. Then hit my V key for the move tool. This is hard to do with the microphone in front of me, but hold down Alt to copy it, and then Shift to keep it straight. You can let go of Alt now. And I think right about there. Change this to a nice blue. Actually, I should match it with this blue. Then we take our 2 boxes and drag them right into the freedom there. There. And now they're colored. But take the blue and move it up a little. See if I can move the red down without... That's good. Didn't want it to touch the E's here in the middle. So that's that. So why the... let's get back on freedom here. Why the yellow? Take off the inner glow. And the edges are just a little too harsh. So it kind of softens it. And if you go too much, it ruins it. And I use yellow because it doesn't show up. You can't see the yellow. You can only see the softness. So that's it right there. Actually, I should probably move this up a little. So, the graphic comes from Threadbasket. I'll have a link in the description below for that. It's a kind of like Vexels, but better, I think. Because once your subscription ends, you can still use the graphics, whereas on Vexels, you can't. And of course, you get the SVG file, which I love. And again, this is Speed Beast, the font, and that comes from Creative Fabrica. And there's always a link for that below. So if you like what you saw, leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.